Hello and welcome, dear trader, in this tutorial for the top 10 free crypto trading tools. So I know a lot of people were asking me to make this video for a long time, so I finally had time to do it. It took me a few days to actually retest every single tool to find what is useful on that tool and if it can actually compete with the paid tool. Many people, many traders in the world, their budget for trading is tight. They are like happy they have actually money for trading and paying memberships. So another, like paying for other tools is really not easy. Sometimes it can be $100 to $200 per month. So this video should really help you can replace some paid tools until you become profitable and consistent trader, or until your budget improves. And this video will truly help you on that. We will be starting with the most powerful tools, and we will go down into the more of a supportive tools. I love crypto markets. They are much better and easier to trade than traditional markets because we have aggregated data. Only few exchanges and only few big entities are running the show. So it's pretty easy to trade this. It's not so, in traditional markets, you have so many exchanges, so many dark pools. It's hard to aggregate the data. So that's why crypto is so good to trade. And we really need to go over these tools now. And this is another thing on crypto markets. So many talented people created these tools for free. I really don't get it. Like, some tools are really even better than paid tools. But I will be also showing you comparison to paid tools. What's the difference? Just few of them. We'll be going over my Discord posts. One thing I want to add, I made standalone and much deeper tutorials for some of the tools. So you can go into our Discord channel and open those sections. They will be open to public after this video, and also I will be sharing them on YouTube as time goes. Every few days I'll be sharing one of the tutorials. I made tutorial only for the main tool, so you will have a standalone tutorial for the ATAs and our templates. Coinank, I think this is one of the best tools for free because it has so many things together. Yes, so really great. Velo data, again, standalone tutorial. Coinglass, Mobchart, and these other tools I'll be showing you just in this video. So let's start. So we'll be starting with the ATAs. Yeah. So ATAs is free alternative to the Exocharts and Sierra charts. It's completely free for the crypto markets. So if you have good templates for it, like I shared for you here, some free templates you can use. Yes, it's really great. And also it has really deep historical data. It has actually larger historical data than Exocharts. You can go 1, 2, 3 years back. So when Bitcoin, for example, will be in bear market, will be returning to levels not seen in few years, you will have those levels at your disposal from all those templates. It's also harder to master than Exocharts. Exocharts is much more intuitive, at least for me. That's why I like it more. Interface as well. It's like more rusty interface, yeah. But you will see that. So you are getting access to all these free templates. Let me show you quick sneak peeks over them. I did tutorial like deeper how to use the templates over here. So let's go. So you will get one, workspace template. This is more for scalping. It's more for scalping template. You are seeing footprints here, aggressions, absorptions, On the left, you have the TPO profiles. You are seeing naked point of controls, current highs. On the left or down there, you have the delta in the tape. And on the right, you have the DOM. This template is more done for the, higher resolution monitors. That's why my DOM is not looking like these two panels are not looking great. I'm watching this on big TV. And I have like zoomed in all applications. But you can adjust any window here. You can make things larger. This alone is really good template. You can make this larger. So this is full workspace. There you will see file for the workspace to upload. And then we can have a look on other templates. So let's go. Just very quick views. So this is a core 30-minute TPO template we use on Exocharts, very similar one. You see the VAHs, you see the volume point of controls, TPO, you see the single prints. Make sure to check to set data into the into the history because it's only showing me a few days now. When I compare this to the Exocharts, you can see why I like Exocharts. It's like, for me, is more cleaner, better looking, easier interface. Like all settings are super easy to do. Here is a bit harder with the ATAS, so you need more knowledge on that. But you know, people are doing a lot of tutorials for the ATAS. I did tutorial for ATAS just on templates, like I didn't go into the functionality. So this is the first template. You will be getting the menu watch as an intraday trader. Then we have this one. I will set it on 20 dates so we see a bit more. So this template is showing you daily naked point of control, single prints. This is daily time frame overview. So you see previous day vals because market loves to rotate. Let's go further. Templates, daily TPO. This is more of a basic template. Again, you can choose multiple styles you want. Yes, these volume profiles are showing here. Point of controls, rotations, volume. Ask bid volume difference and open interest. You also see if you are seeing increase or decrease. Main TPO. This one is also nice. You see you have multiple options on for these TPO ones. It's like very simple looking. Again, it's showing you, it's more focused on the TPO, so you have TPOX, TPO vals, VAX, these range rotations. Let's go further. Then we have monthly template. You also need to watch this for monthly for weekly rotations to see the weekly high volume nodes, weekly point of controls, and weekly value areas. Same thing for the monthly. Yes, this one is a beauty. Showing you just one. You just need to set more parameters, like 100 days into the history or even more. So that's the ATAS. I like ATAS. If I would be on tight budget, I would not be allowed to use Exocharts, or I couldn't afford it. I would be definitely on ATAS and getting more templates. Should be searching for us templates. We will be adding more templates in the group, but for now, these basic templates should be really good for you. So yeah, we can go to another tool now. This is called Coinank. It's free crypto tool, and it substitutes Tradinglite and Tradingdifferent. Limited features for the TPO assessment and decent tool for basic aggregated data. I really like this tool to be used for liquidity mapping, so stop losses and liquidations, order books data, large walls, aggregated order clusters, TPO profiles, and imbalances, buying tail, selling tail. Let me show you the tool now. So we go over here. Coinank, I will do refresh. So in my opinion, this is one of the most versatile tools, same like Velo data, but because you can actually run multiple templates out of here. For example, here I show you only the most important ones. So here is the liquidity heat map. Yes, you need to adjust settings a bit. It's a bit it's like this. Yes, so it's showing you on Binance the key orders. Really good for the free tool, because if I open now the paid tool, Tradinglite, okay, it's much more cleaner, it's much more simple. I have more settings here. I can adjust a lot of stuff, because you see in these paid tools, I just want to show you these differences. You cannot adjust much. It's not customizable. Yes, you have one settings for the filter, and that's about it, but really good alternative. Yes. You have VP profile, so you see the more you zoom in, it's gonna count volumes for your chart. Point of control is over here, so this is also what I like on this tool. You have TPO profiles, you have daily profiles with single prints. It's also showing you the buying tail and selling tail, like single prints, so you just need to know. You also cannot change color for buying, selling tail, so it's looking like single prints, but it's not. Yes, but also very useful. You have also liquidation map, fantastic. This is really great. You can also run this on the standalone window, so you know where is the market pain points. Yesterday we were taking this one. Now if market pushes this, the 68,700, this will be major liquidations for the shorts. You can definitely don't run just one window out of it, but make multiple windows. liquidation levels, so you can combine this with the liquidation map if you want a better overview, but you see the major nodes is over here and major node is over here. Very simple, by the way, this compared to paid tool, these calculations. The Tradingdifferent is much better in that, but this is fine if you want to be on like, you know, free tool. You also have order book profile, so when you combine this with the liquidity heat map, it is some people like this, so they see where are the big orders. You don't see how big they are, but you see where is the most significant one. Look at that iceberg orders, yeah, as market will be falling into them. You see there is much more buyer interest currently below the price, and you know, like decent selling is just here, so there is not much selling on Binance over here. Really nice. I like it, very clean. Anchor VWAP, I already have this on a chart. Of course, you can make multiple VWAPs. You can do daily, weekly, monthly. Market pays attention to that. It's our bias tool. When we trade above, below VWAP, it's changing your view on the market. It's also offering you trade opportunities, so you can have that. Finally, we have footprints. Footprints offers a lot of settings. I only run it for large imbalances. Yes, because market loves to fill imbalances and bounce. Like here, big imbalance region filled, bounce. Yes, again, we were filling some of the imbalances. They either get filled fully or act as resistance. Rejection, imbalance filled. Market is always trying to be efficient. Okay, so you see, this is really versatile too. I like it. I like it. So many things at once. Plus, you can do additional below the chart indicators. So I run the volume here, open interest, aggregated liquidations. Fantastic, you know. For deeper tutorial, just watch the secondary video on our Discord or posted on our YouTube soon. That's it. We can go into the another tool. Now it's Velo data. Where are you, Velo data? Over here. We'll be turning this on. So I probably never seen such a fast order flow tool. Even this is even faster than paid tools, so this is a really good advantage. I never seen this thing slow down. They build the infrastructure really well. Of course, it can be also, like most of the tools, they can be on paid subscription, but this is Velo data is offering you free membership. You just don't have much historical data, so it's limited in that. And you also have lots of aggregated tools. Yet again, I did much deeper tutorial how I run my template, why I run it like that. But you can see what I mean about the not much historical data. Each time frame is offering you very limited view. So on 50-minute time frame, I can see just until 11 of May. But you can still do analysis from higher time frames. It's going much further. Now on 1 hour time frame, I can see from 1st of April. This is already decent. What I like on Velo data, plenty of aggregated indicators. We don't take direct trades out of the aggregated data, but this is second layer you use once you enter into your trade. Based on aggregated data and order flow, analysis, you can stick to your trades for longer periods of time, or you will be defensive. You will be cutting profits sooner. You can go into the other side of the trade as well. So this is not for direct entries, yes, this template, but is more for analysis, supportive analysis. I like to run on Velo, of course, main chart with the volume. It's everything. Volume is everything. Also, I like to run the liquidations over here. Big liquidations are usually sign of exhaustion in the market, and it often causes reversals. It's part of the course we teach in our Discord for the highest probability trades which you take with exhaustion. Liquidations is one of the parameters you need to watch all the time. Yes. We also have aggregated premium. This is showing you how much, what is doing portion of open interest compared to the spot markets. If this is positive, it means more open interest is loaded on the long side. If this is negative for prolonged period of time, it means there are more shorts in the markets based on open interest and potential for the squeeze. Same like here, people went, market pushed to the upside. It stopped out many people. A lot of longs were left in the market. Doesn't matter if it's from here or from here, but market is now doing pullback because this premium is also warning you. Same like with funding rate. So we combine aggregated premium view with the aggregated funding rate. They are complementing each other. Funding rates also very positive. We were getting into shorts over here because we knew we hit big targets from technical analysis, but also market got overheated locally on this, and also on the funding rate. Yes, there's just very brief explanations. There is much better explanation in the standalone tutorial. And final thing I have here running is the aggregated open interest. So I also want to know what is the open interest doing, because if the positions are closing or opening, that matters a lot. Because if positions are opening and markets, start to fade, it's gonna trap these people who are entering, and it is going to give you fuel for the pullbacks or for the increases. So this must be also my chart. You can do multiple templates out of this. Further useful stuff is, you can explore these aggregated more of the aggregated data, and also lots of retail indicators over here. We don't need most of them. VWAP is useful, of course, but most of this you don't need. You don't want to trade as a retail. You only need to trade with the institutional approach to the markets. Yes. So we finished the Velo data. Tutorial will be waiting for you. Now we can go to Coinglass. This is really nice tool. So one thing we need to mention on this tool: all symbols are available for liquidity mapping, even smaller market cap altcoins, larger selection compared to the trading different. You see how I marked this in standalone tutorial. This is best tool for the free liquidity mapping. Because why? It's actually aggregating liquidations from all exchanges in the world, from the most influential ones. This is really surprising, because most of the paid tools actually don't aggregate liquidations. I don't think it's such a problem. I use mainly liquidity from the Binance. It's working really well for the market because it has 20% volumes. But also, if you trade more pairs which are like smaller market caps, yes, and also medium market cap coins, you will find it on a Coinglass. Yes. So let me show you the link. And then in the tutorial, I'm going over more useful links, and also on-chain analysis. You can analyze once a week or once a month, which is good for the swing trades, for your spot hodling. Yes, so you can find more in that. So let me show you the Coinglass now. Coinglass. This is the best feature of that. Really impressive. This is for free. If you click on symbol, now it will aggregate liquidation data for all exchanges in the world, for those big ones. It's useful because some exchanges can have like specific traders loaded up. You see, it's a bit different when I click pair. When I click symbol, there are some differences. We can go to 1 week time frame. Beautiful. You know where are these liquidation thresholds. You can use it in conjunction with the Coinank because you can turn it on as well, and you can confirm. I like to compare two tools together, and if things matching, then I'm really happy, because it is, they're confirming each other as a confluence. So with Coinank you can do check, and then you will recheck this liquidity node over here. To the upside, we know there will be my major liquidity over here. Another liquidity is building here. Yeah, so BTC is covered, but you see how many things we have here. Crazy amount. Very big amount to pick and to check liquidity if you are altcoin trader, because altcoins, they offer higher volatility opportunities. So Coinglass is really useful. And then you can see, like, this is also for free, like all these indicators here. I only pick the best ones in the more deeper tutorial for you. So a lot of order flow data. Yes, again, supportive for your decisions. And then you have if you scroll down, it's starting to be, this is called technical indicator, but it's not technical. This is on-chain analysis. Yes. So a lot of on-chain analysis. I only pick ones I watch over the years. So definitely check that as well in this standalone tutorial. Now we can go to Mobchart. This is going to be very quick because this tool is very simple. It's for free, but there is only one good utility for it, which is free heat map tool. So it's free order books heat map tool. Large orders are highlighted. You can use only 50-minute or 1 hour time frame as limitation on free account. It's basic non-aggregated data, basic footprints profile. This is super basic. I think this is one of the most basic tools we will have today. Mobchart. You see, there is only one purpose I would be using this. I like really pleasing, really pleasing to like colors for the orders. This is set on Binance. You can see significant orders in the order books. Yes, yesterday we had massive selling. We were selling these walls, for example. They are highlighted here like orange color. These were really massive, like 30 million selling walls. So, and also we had supporting walls to the downside. That's what gave us range. So if you are trading, you cannot trade without the order books. Now you have really great tool just for the order books. I would use this just for the order books. You can, on free account, you can even set order book like DOM here on the right for the much higher resolutions. Also, you have a basic tabs here for the open interest, liquidations, and funding rate. You know, those are my favorite things I watch. Footprints. Are they footprint? Oh yeah, actually, when we zoom in, oh yeah, this is actually really positive, quality of this tool. When you zoom in, you can verify if you actually feel the walls, and yes, you can clearly see there was massive selling. It's highlighted, you feel the walls. On Tradingdifferent, one thing which is much more easier to see when you feel the walls. Because to zoom in, let me show you an example. So you see 257 wall, and you see the highlighted red color below the wall 182, which means the wall was filled with 182 taken and also was like completely eaten. Here in this tool, now you see why these tools are paid. I mean free. It's 50-minute time frame. This is the problem, yeah, because you want to watch this on a much smaller time frames. That's why they are getting the time frames. On 1 minute, you filled some really nice walls down there, yeah. It's just not overlapping. There is a gap here. This is a bit problem, yeah, because I don't know if I fill the wall or not. Yes, like you see that in the footprint profile, like here. This was actually a big buyer, so yeah, this was not filled on the sell side. But yeah, it's less clarity here if you fill the walls or not. But overall, for watching big walls, fantastic tool. Definitely, you can have it in your arsenal. Okay, just 6-minute tutorial for Mobchart, so very simple. So we went over the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools. These are tools which stand alone in tutorial as well. Now we will go for the more supportive tools, and you will see their description only in this video. I don't think they need much like deeper tutorials for now. Maybe later I will do it. So we are starting with the Bookmap. Bookmap is similar to Tradinglite. For crypto markets, it's free. It allows us to visually see market order flow in graphical format instead of just price ladder. I have it over here. So yeah, it's decent tool. You know, Bram, our other teacher in the group, is using it more heavily than me. I don't like this tool, even like visually. I'm Tradinglite fanboy, so for me is that you see massive selling volumes with the big red bubbles, massive buyers or smaller buyers with the green bubbles. You are having also you can do like this. What I like on the Bookmap, of course, it's free. So for now, you can use it as an alternative to Tradinglite if your budget is tight. It's aggregating data from multiple exchanges. So if you see the wall here, yes, you know it's from multiple exchanges. Okay. Again here, so I like it. A lot of people use this for traditional finance. Now we go back to the Discord. You can watch with this link. Someone is streaming actually live ES Bookmap, so you can see how market when cash opens, how it's reacting based on big walls there, and these interactions. And also Bram did live analysis with Bookmap, so you need higher rank for that because it's this is more higher level of education. So for that, if you want to really like master Bookmap, Bram is doing really good job. He's showing you Exocharts on the right, then Bookmap and the how the market is reacting into the big walls. Yes, if we are going to reject or we are going to bounce, that really makes difference. So really fantastic. But only for the hero rank, this education. Let's return back. Okay, so we went over the Bookmap. This is the 6th tool in the order. Now we will go over Orion Terminal. So these are now starting to be more supportive tools. Orion Terminal is over here. So again, free tool. You have few good things here. I like the screener. If I want to see like big overview over the market, I can see what is actually doing largest moves. So you can find the most liquid altcoin of the day, yeah. And to jump in into the trends, you can see volumes based on 5 minutes or like that. Deltas, you have much bigger volumes here on the 1 hour time frame. Open interest. You can also find some deviations in the funding rates here. If something has too big funding rate deviations, especially when perpetual markets are fighting these spot inflows or outflows, then you can also use this for like find some gold altcoin for trading. Yet again, one day change, so you see who is doing the best, who is doing the worst, what is trending, what are the degens, what are they doing, market cap. Really nice screener. And we also have the you can build all its infrastructure for free with Orion Terminal, and also you have the chart here. This is more like a spaghetti chart. It will take time to load, so we will wait a bit. It's also showing you visually because sometimes you see on Twitter people posting this, what altcoin is doing the best and so on. They are very likely pulling it from this chart. Takes time to load. We can meanwhile go over other tool while it's loading. We also have Laevitas. So Laevitas delivers actionable intelligence to you with high quality multi-asset data from crypto derivatives markets. Let's go. This is still loading. Okay, it's now done. Very heavy on the computer. Should be like zooming in further. So you can quickly see who is doing well. Cumulative volume is here, but this is pretty slow actually. So yeah, not bad, mainly for the screener and alerts. Okay, let's go to Laevitas now. Again, free. You can have also paid account with much better options, but for free, this is really good. You have the global overviews. You can see open interest, global 24-hour volumes, correlations. This is really interesting. What is Bitcoin and Ethereum most correlated to? Apple. Funny it's Apple, but it should be like we know it's equities in general. Perpetual swaps over here. This is also similar to screener, so you can find price change, funding rates, APRs, next funding rate change. So again, pretty basic screener. Futures, similar thing. Options. You also have some options overviews here. Nice, very nice charts. I like watching options mainly on Deribit, so I'm not watching it as much here, but you also have this option. Indices, also traditional markets, historical performance. You see, this is really nice. You see like which sector is doing well from the overall crypto. So you see who is pushing, so you can adjust your portfolios. Very, very decent actually, this. You can see the exchanges. This is also good to do to see who matters. Binance is still the king. It is showing you who runs the show, yeah, as we can say. Binance is the king in open interest now. Bybit followed by Bitget, but Bitget is faking volume, so other exchanges not important. So Binance watching with Bybit pretty much priority for you. And in the Asia is also OKEx, yes. So yeah, just nice general market tool. You can do a lot of stuff here and find out what is important. Assets and others. So many screeners here. You have some tools, I don't know which ones. You can do backtesting calculations. Some are paid, some are open. Miscellaneous tools. Really fun. Just explore this. This is really good for free. Coinanalyze now. Coinanalyze. So we have this section in the hero rank for this, how I exactly use Coinanalyze, but very briefly, you have a lot of indicators. Again, you can do some aggregated settings you cannot do in other free tools, very advanced, some of them, and also some decent tools from the technical analysis. Most of them are for retail, however, we pay attention to the aggregated things, but they are over here. My main use of Coinanalyze is definitely open interest analysis. So I want to watch what are the coin merged contracts doing. So what are the coins when someone opens positions with Bitcoin. So I definitely want to see that, and then also from stable coins merged contracts from USD Tether. You see we are getting massive increases in the merged contracts. This is normal and typical for the bull markets. In the bear markets, people go more into the Tether and they trade more from the Tether. So we are watching this template. This is so good template for intraday trading, because we are watching for open interest round trips, which means when open interest, I can show you example. Refresh. I'm just looking like this. We've had one open interest rampant over here, so open interest was increasing here. Now market returned back, almost back to the initial point, and maybe this is better example. So we are seeing market is pushing here open interest to the upside. Both long and shorts are coming in. Now we are going to the downside. I said group I'll be watching when we return back to the initial point of open interest increase. You see where we find the bottom. This was matching. We finished the open interest round trip. You took out most market participants out of the market, and then we reversed over here. It was continuing to the downside because also shorts were taking profit from higher. They were building up higher. So, but it doesn't matter. When we finish the open interest round trips, the market usually bounces. So there's our main confluence. This is one of the key things I use this template for. So I can see potential fuel in the market. Yes. And here is our final tool. So aggregate. You can I shared the free template for this tool here. We also have more advanced templates in a group, which are fine-tuned for hearing the order flow and also for the CVD and so on. I shared here more of a general template. Aggregate trade is great for the CVD analysis, both spot and purpose market. Also general delta analysis. What are the deltas doing on spot and perps? Identifying TVAPs. TVAPs are large orders which are not executed at once, which would be crashing the market, but they are spreaded into the longer periods of time. So for that, really, we can spot them, and we are defensive if someone is doing such order, because you don't want to engage market in such condition. You'll be fighting that huge buyer or seller. And also you can here with this tool global order flow. So really versatile tool. Let me show you how free template looks like. This is the free template you will be getting. On the left you have spot trades, significant spot trades which are leading the market. Here you have the comparison between the purple line is the perpetual CVD, the blue line is the spot CVD. You also have delta from spot, delta from perps. You can do comparisons who is leading the market. You need to go to lower time frames. If delta is selling super, like much more heavier than spot, you have potential to create bull or just a sec. You have potential to create the bull or bear CVD here, and also here you have like complete delta profiles. You can move these windows. I like to move these windows. I make them much larger so I see things more clearly. You can see Binance, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Spot, Bybit, all these key, also OKEx, all these key spot exchanges, and then we have the key perpetual exchanges delta. On the right we have perpetual trades. You can also hear the order flow, but we have that the template for that. Liquidations are also marked here at the bottom. Very clean template, additional for your, to fill another monitor. Yes. I can show you examples because we use aggregate every single day. So when I search CVD, you can see we use a lot of CVD. This is from TRDR. This is also from aggregate. but other template, which is like for me is much easier to see the bull and bear CVD. For example, this was recent setup at 69,200 when Bitcoin was there. Perpetuals were heavily selling compared to spot markets. We reached the lows. We didn't take out the lows, so there was no swing failure pattern, but perpetuals delta, they were pushing much more heavily. So heavy sellers compared to this low. Market in the end started bouncing, and here you take profit one just on this bull CVD setup, because you always mark the start of the deviation. So we'd move up here. All these people who were trying to send market much lower than this low but failed, they got absorbed. They are closing back, and this also take profit one here or take profit one here. You actually had the full round trip was here. Bull CVD complete. You can take profit here as well. Up to you. So it's already a nice move. So we are also watching for that. And here at the low, you also were creating a new local uptrend. Market was stabilizing. You've created the very local bull CVD as well. Spot market, look what was spot market doing. Spot market was already buying, putting a bit of selling pressure, continuing to the upside. What were the perps doing? On the push to the upside, they were pushing a bit, but then they tried to send market much lower for this low. They failed. We've created a higher low with the price. Perps did lower low. This is local bull CVD. You always like to see that on the pullback. So yeah, so you had people absorbed. Shorts were absorbing, and now we started pushing to the upside. So with aggregate, you can see local CVD setups and also this intraday. This was more of an intraday, and then also medium time frame. In bull markets, they play out really well. Yes, you see. Again, another setup was here. Bull and bear CVD. So yeah, aggregate template, fantastic. But we have section for that over here in the normal rank. I did standalone tutorial for it with our templates as well. Just fantastic. Let's return back. I think we did all of the tools. Yes, so all of the tools are done. If you want standalone tutorials for all these tools, please join our Discord, or just wait for me to release them on YouTube. I will be releasing them every few days, one of them. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please give it a like, and I will create more content for you like this. You know, some education needs to be gated and paid. I spent with Bram hundreds of hours producing such content. You can participate on my trading journey, or you don't have to. It's all up to you. But I also want to do something free for community, and I do it often. And this video is like that. You can really literally build your trading infrastructure for order flow analysis with free tools. All you need to do, and this is the most important part, is to become a consistent and profitable trader, and educate yourself. Education is the most valuable thing in the planet for any single person. So, because some people said I cannot afford the membership because I'm paying for so many tools. So you can actually now educate yourself much easier with if you do infrastructure right. So thank you for watching, guys. I wish you pleasant trading, and see you in the group. Bye.